Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. Look at this, curtains. Dwight made curtains. In this video, we're going to show you how she made these and what I'm going to do about filling up the air mattress. Well, yet another problem. Air mattress. You know the problem with the air mattress? If you fill it up, I can't fit it in. It's a queen size air mattress. It won't go in with the box I made. Now what? The cord, I can't put it in and then fill it up and plug it into the truck at the same time, even through the window at the back. So you know what? Chop, chop, chop. That's cutter. That's what I think, right? That's not gonna work. Well, that's it. She's cut. Now I can lengthen it. Watch this. Okay guys, so we managed to move this into the garage just so you can see a little bit better, have a little bit more space, and hopefully you can actually see what I'm doing. So, like I said, the problem that we keep having is when we fill the air mattress, we have to deflate it halfway just to get it inside the truck. Now this air pump that we have, the cord is way too short to go from the 12-volt plug, reach all the way to the back of the truck to fill it up. So like you saw, I decided I'm just going to cut this. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to lengthen this. I'm going to show you how to lengthen it by cutting it and adding a piece in there so it can reach a little bit longer. You can do this with a lot of electrical things. You just got to be careful of what exactly you're doing with it. So in this video, I'm just going to show you real quick what to do. My whole idea is just to use an old electrical cord. It's roughly the same gauge wire than this is. You know, so we're just going to cut it, patch it together. There are two ways you could do this. You could twist it together, put some electrical tape. You can go all out and you can solder it together. But for the 12-volt thing, all I'm going to do for the amount that we're going to use it, because we are going to put foam in the truck, I'm just going to twist them together, put some electrical tape, and then I'm going to show you how we do that. Here we go. You want to spread the wires apart a little bit before you actually join them together if you're not going to solder. That way it gives it better. So make like two little Ys on each wire. And then you want to do the same thing with the wire that you're joining. So just make two little Ys. It's going to make it much stronger when you attach the two together. So all you're going to do is you're going to take the Ys, twist them together, so now, what you actually have is a Y of the two wires together. You're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. Twist them together. So now you have both wires twisted together in Ys. And then, the easiest thing to do is twist the two Ys together, the two ends. And do the same thing on the other one. And then as you'll see, you can't pull them apart. There you go. So all you have to do is tape them up. If you do this, where you just take them and you twist them together without putting the Ys in there, watch what happens. So I've got them in there, no Ys as you see. Watch, I can just pull it apart. It's not going to be very safe if you're not soldering it. So that's exactly what we're going to do at both ends here. before I forget, wires will always have a marking of which one's negative and positive on 12 volts. So on this particular one here, it's got actually writing on one side and no writing on the other side of the black wire. On electric cords, you're always going to be able to tell which one is a negative or positive side because there'll be some type of indication. On this particular electrical cord, this white electrical cord, it's got actually a texture on one of the wires where the other one's smooth and rounded. So you want to make sure that when you're doing that, you're doing the same thing on both sides. So with this particular wire, it's got the writing on one side, I'm making it with the textured side, so when I hook up the other side, I'm doing exactly the same. So I'm not crossing the negative and the positive. If you do that, it's not going to work properly, and you have a possibility of giving yourself a shock. So this is something you want to pay attention to. This also goes with any household electrical stuff. There's always some type of indicator. If you don't know what you're doing, have somebody do it for you, or make sure you research it. So let me just finish this up for you guys. So all I'm going to do is, because I'm not soldering them, I'm just going to throw some electrical tape on this. If you want to make it easier, you could always put electrical tape on one of the wires before joining the other one. Then that way you don't have to have such a big space. I don't have any black electrical tape, so I'm just using blue for the time being. So you want to make sure you tape them up really good, that way you're not grounding each other out. So I like to tape them separately. It's not necessarily necessary to do it this way, it just makes me feel better. So as you see, I've taped them both together, they're nice and strong. Now I'm actually going to tape the two wires together, just for some added protection. There you go. So I've managed to lengthen this. Again, this is not the ideal way of doing it. You could solder them, it's going to last longer. You know what, I may actually do that down the road, but right now, just for this video, I wanted to show you just how easy it is to do. So I'm going to actually finish this up. I don't think you guys want to see me finish it up, and then we're going to try it. Okay, so we've got it all done. It's all taped up. So now it's nice and long. Get rid of this. So like I said, we took an old electrical cord, just a cheapie that you can buy pretty much anywhere. Cut the male and the female ends off. We don't need those. All we're doing is lengthening this cord. So let's see if it reaches, and let's see if it works. Well guys, moment of truth. We lengthened the cord. Now we have to do is make sure it actually works. So I'm just going to put this right here. We're going to see if the cord reaches the front, plug it in, and pray. Well, it's plugged in. Let's find out. It works, guys. It works. So, like I said, whole electrical cord, lengthened it up. Now, I can put the air mattress in the back without filling it up, get it the way I want it, fill it up, makes my life way easier. Well, now that we fixed the problem with the air mattress and how to get it in the back of the truck, full, heck of a lot easier to put it in there empty, then fill it up. But you know what? The wife spent some time making the curtains for this. We did some hacks on that as well. You're going to want to stay and watch how she did that. Hey guys, so like I said, she wanted to make curtains. We tried the reflectives, it didn't work very good. Not at all. Some condensation, even with Velcro, fell right off, and you know what? It didn't look very nice. So for cheap, she managed to find some fabric. We managed to put it up. She sewed them. You could do it by hand. I cut some wire. Who uses these anymore? I'll show you what it looks like inside. Hey guys, we're now in the cab. Awesome. Loving it. More every day. These. Who uses these? Audio, video. Nobody uses those anymore. The wife, awesome job making the curtains. I use those old audio video cables. to hang them. It's amazing. It helps keep them closed. They are just put into the screws that's already in the window. So you don't even have to drill any holes in the cap. Loosen off a screw, put the wire in there, put some caulking in there, put it all in there, won't leak, it's all good. It's amazing, guys. Hey, check this out. Look at this light. I decided to put this in here. It's green right now. It can be any color I want. It can be some sexy colors. Hey, you're gonna wanna watch our videos because in an upcoming video, we're gonna show you how I did this. Until next time, guys, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next video that comes out. Until next time, that's it. That's all. Hope you all had a ball. We are out of here.